Hello. So today I'm going to present a project that I've been working on for the past weeks, and I hope that it will help us improve in several aspects. And I call it the Snapchat project. I divided the presentation into three different parts. The first one, I will explain the importance of Teams interaction. Then I will try to demonstrate how usually companies do that. And then I will mention a case study within our own company, embracing an internal example, the possible causes, and then my proposal, which I divided in what to do and what I expect from it. So, to begin, fostering Teams interaction enables people to share experiences, increase the exchange of knowledge, and also improve the work environment that facilitate communication. And it plays a very important role in improving teams' efficiency and productivity, reduce the chances of error, and also avoid pre-established standards that can be harmful for our company. And how usually companies do that? They can create environments and design their offices in a way that stimulates interaction in an unforced way. For example, companies can create open space offices, or even create spaces where people go there to chat and relax, to talk about sports, personal life, professional life, simply by turning off their stressful working mode. Let's talk about our own company now. Let's take the budgeting department as an example. The budgeting area is directly responsible for estimating costs and risks for each project of our company. Therefore, their job requires them to interact with several different departments, such as the supply chain area, in order to understand if their budget is being accurate or not regarding equipment, material, or supply chain purchases. To the financial and administrative area, to learn from their previous experiences about taxes, financial incentives, and etc. But as we have experienced a lot of errors from that team in the past year, 3 out of 10 of our projects had a significant mistake. I decided to deeply analyze the possible causes from that mistakes, and also to come up with an idea to prevent them to happen again in the future. So, after analyzing the problems and the mistakes, I figured out that the lack of information from other departments is the root cause of these problems. So, there might be 2 possible responsibles for that, which combined, they increase the possibility of failure. Which are, the first one is that, as there are people in the team that have worked with us for more than 10 years, in that specific department, this experienced team is being overconfident and often prefers to estimate future events based on their previous experiences and knowledge, instead of simply asking the right people to it. And also that even though there are new hires that come up with a fresh mind and without this confidence, as soon as they start working with this team, they're influenced to believe that it is the right way to do that, and automatically get into the same routine. We could note that as soon as the new hires understand how it works, they adapt themselves to it. So, what is my proposal? Our office accommodates nowadays 47 employees, divided into 8 different sectors, and has 6 different places where people can grab a coffee or can grab a snack or drink a coffee. Consequently, people are not stimulated to move across different sectors and also to interact with other teams. So their coffee breaks are not providing any type of social interactions. So my proposal is to eliminate all of these coffee and snack areas and to create only one central place with portraits and furnitures that will stimulate people to interact. So, and I will call this place the Snack Chat place. And with that, what I expect that first of all, it will respond directly to the issue that I've just mentioned by breaking the status quo of not relying on other teams to help in the cost estimative. And consequently, it will demonstrate the importance of sharing ideas with other teams in order to improve knowledge and accuracy. So as a consequence of that, we will fight the overconfidence of this team. And also, as some other positive side effects, we can say that it will strengthen the personal relationship among peers, facilitating communication among them. It will increase people's share of knowledge and experiences, thus people's learnings and skills. I also estimate that it will decrease the number of errors due to the lack of communication for at least 50%. And at last but not least, it will improve the work environment, which leads to improving motivation and productivity from our team. And that's it.